In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io to find emails. We'll walk through a clear, repeatable process you can use to identify a contact and reveal their email address for responsible outreach. Once you're in your Apollo.io dashboard, start by opening the People section. This is the main directory where Apollo lists individual contacts across companies. You'll notice a search bar and a panel of filters that can narrow results by company, job title, seniority, location, and more. These tools are powerful for focusing your list, but to make the workspace easier to scan, we'll simplify the view first. Click Hide Filters. Collapsing the filter panel gives you more room to compare contacts side by side and focus on the details that matter, like role and organization. Don't worry, hiding filters doesn't erase any criteria you might have set. It just expands your working area. You can always toggle them back on later if you need to refine your list further. Next, select the person you want to contact. Take a moment to confirm the profile aligns with your ideal buyer or the specific stakeholder you're targeting. Click the contact's name to open their profile page. Here, you can double-check essentials such as current title and company to make sure you've got the right individual. Spending a few extra seconds here helps prevent using credits on the wrong profile. When you're confident in your selection, click Access Email. Apollo will reveal the address and show a verification status or confidence indicator. Accessing an email typically consumes a credit, so keep an eye on your plan's balance. A verified or high confidence label means Apollo has strong evidence the address will deliver. If you see a lower confidence score or a pattern-based guess, consider validating before a large send or begin with a lighter, more personalized outreach. A couple of practical tips as you follow this flow. Prioritize the most relevant profiles first so you use credits efficiently. If an email isn't available or looks uncertain, you can go back to the people list and choose a different contact at the same company who fits your criteria. And always follow good outreach etiquette. Personalize your message, provide clear value, and respect unsubscribe requests and applicable regulations in your region. That's it. Open people, hide filters for a cleaner view, choose the right person, and click Access Email to reveal their address. Repeat these steps as needed to build a high-quality, verified list for your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy prospecting.